Then we have a deletion block. We have two indicators here, central deletion block and central deletion flag. They are the two different things. If you take this indicator, it mentions that your general data, general vendor data is not going to delete. Okay, if you take this, your central data, you will not be able to get it deleted. Then we have another flag, central deletion flag. If you put the central deletion flag, then it is marked for deletion. The full vendor, all data in this vendor is marked for deletion. When it is marked for deletion, when actually the actual deletion is going to happen, there would be that indicator would be there, mark for deletion indicator would be there at the multiple places in your multiple set of data. When you tick this, it does not mean that the data got deleted. When you tick that, it means that this data is marked for deletion. When you'll be using that data into the different operation, system would be giving you warning messages that this data is marked for deletion. Please don't use it. These warning messages you can get converted into the error messages if really required. Otherwise, what happens that it goes into the archiving process. Okay. Then system would be taking, there's a full 2-3 step of archiving. We do it. I have explained that detail in one of our step up circles. I did the archiving session. You can go and check it there. Then it goes with the archiving process where it takes 2-3 steps to get the data removed from the system and moved it to the archived server. It's not that erased completely, but it will be moved to the archived server. And that process will depend on your archive strategy. Sometimes it takes 6 months, sometimes it takes 1 year also to get those data removed. System will not immediately removing it. There would be a lot of dependency of that data. System would also be checking if there is any dependent data, which also need to be archived if you are doing archiving of this object. And then based on that, system would be deciding whether the archiving need to happen or it need not to happen and which cycle it need to archive the data. Okay, deletion flag means it will not completely deleted. It would be archived based on the archive strategy which has been put it by a basis team. Okay, so that is the meaning of the deletion flag.